We'll start with masking curves. This is an industry first, real-time tonal masking and threshold of hearing curves in a spectrum analyzer. This shows you where a dominant tone is audibly masking other frequencies and noise and gives you a clear visual correlation of measurements to audibility. You can use this for identifying the cause of audible distortion. Let's say we have a speaker that is failing a production line perceptual rub and buzz test. Your results might look like this, and you can see that you have audible rub and buzz in this frequency range here. Now, if you want to drill more deeply into that and understand what's causing the distortion, we can use masking curves. We can play a 1 kHz sine wave through the signal generator and look at the FFT spectrum here. Now let's add a masking curve. You can specify in here exactly what type of curve you want. It automatically tracks the dominant tone in the acoustic signal. This makes any harmonics above the masking and threshold of hearing curves clearly visible. And if you look at the shape of this curve, you can see that it combines the masking from the fundamental here and also the threshold of hearing curve. You can see it increasing up here in the low and the high frequencies. And you can see which of the harmonics are above this purple masking curve here. You can see that the even harmonics are well below the masking curve, so they're inaudible, but the odd harmonics, 5, 7, and 9, are well above it, and that's what you're hearing. I can also experiment with this at different frequencies. For example, I can go lower in frequency and see if the distortion is audible there, or higher, and I can try different levels and observe the impact. This feature has R&D applications too. For example, when you're selecting product components, it helps balance component quality or size with cost so you can avoid audible distortion while not over-designing to reduce distortion that you can't hear. For example, making the loudspeaker driver's magnetics more powerful than they need to be for their application.